Yes sir, what is going on YouTube? It is your boy Denali, aka Don Squally, and we are back at it with another not Forza Horizon 3 video. Oh my god, it's so cold out right now. But we are out in the Project G35. As you can see, we are getting one last blast here in Canada from Mother Nature. See ice all over. Oh, don't mind those canards. We'll be doing a video about those next weekend probably. That video was supposed to go out this weekend, but since it's snowing so bad, I figured I'd put on the helmet cam and take you guys for a little bit of a rip in the Project G35. Now, we already been hitting a couple of corners, and to be honest, this thing's running like a champ. We're gonna probably hit some red line. I got my girlfriend with me in the passenger seat, so she's probably gonna jump out, take a couple of shots from outside of the car. As bad as it is, you got to get yourself somebody that's willing to do that. But yeah, I figured I'd just do a little intro slash vlog here. So hopefully this wind isn't too bad. If you guys want to see more snow drifting, we about to get into it right now, man. How's it going, man? Just 20 bucks regular.
Yeah.
That's alright. Thanks, man.
Never anything.
look at this guy.
What the fuck?
He's fucking snow surfing.
You crazy bastard. That's never gonna work.
We're gonna go back there and see if he actually gets to the board.
He's not going anywhere.
He is. No, he's waiting for the wind. Where are we right now?
Get shot up with the And I'm thinking we are probably gonna put an end to this video. As you guys can see, absolutely slamming redline in this thing. Now, I mean, I gotta put it through its paces. If I'm gonna waste my time taking it to the racetrack and wasting the money actually paying to go and lap this thing, I mean, I want to make sure that it can take a beating. And today it has definitely proven me, you know, not necessarily wrong, because I didn't really think this thing was gonna break, but I mean, at 299,791,000 kilometers, I mean, this thing is still kicking, completely gutted out. Those winter tires, even with that LS, I mean, the crappy thing about the one-wheel peel is when you get out there, you can really only drift in the snow, even drifting in the rain, just one-wheel spins. And we got into a couple situations today where even just getting stuck, you guys will probably see from the outside video, we did get almost stuck a couple of times. And you know, if you had an LSD or the VLSD, that definitely would never happen. But I'm thinking we're probably going to put an end to this one. Like I say, I did have the canard video plus the rear diffusers that you guys saw a small clip of in this video. I was planning on putting that video out this weekend, but since we did get the rain and all of this snow, and there was really, you know, nothing else going on this weekend as far as progress on the cars and stuff, I figured I'd do the snow vlog today, since this is the current weather right now. So yeah, next weekend, that canard video. So if you guys are not subscribed yet, definitely do so. If you guys like this video, smash that like button, definitely helps me out. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future, definitely don't forget to let me know down in the comment section. But I'm thinking we're probably going to put an end to this one. That auto G35, man, putting in work. I gotta clean this thing though. As always, I'm your boy Denali, aka Don Squalia. We're gonna catch y'all mofos at the next one, man. Peace.